Hey everybody, I'm going to try and help you guys learn how to make your own video and then post it to YouTube. There's a couple of different ways that you can do this. Right now, I am using a website called Screencast-O-Matic, and it lets you use, it just copies whatever you have on your screen for up to 15 minutes, and it will make a movie file of your screen, and then you can upload that to YouTube. The other thing that I use is I use PowerPoint because it's not limited to just 15 minutes, and I already use PowerPoint. If you use Google Slides, you'll want to use Screencast-O-Matic. If you're going to use PowerPoint to make it, you just go into one of your current PowerPoints, like this one that I've made previously over hunger. And you can see down here in the lower right-hand corner, there's this goofy picture of me in my classroom. To do that, what you do is you go to slideshow, and then you go to record slideshow, and it comes up to this. Now, when you get there, there will not be a picture of you in the corner. What you'll have to do is hit record, and it will start recording you as you go through. You just keep hitting next as you go through. You do not have to just hit stop in between slides. It will automatically just keep going. If you make a mistake, you just hit stop. You can go out and you can delete this little thing in the corner and start over from wherever you're at. But for the most part, like, nobody cares, so I wouldn't bother unless you really say something foolish. As you go through and keep clicking, you'll develop more and more of these little things in the corner. When you're done, you'll hit end and it will come out to something that looks like this. And you'll see all of a sudden now you'll have you in the corner. And you can play that and you can see it. So you can see that was like a very short one. Whereas this one, if you click on it and play it, you can see it takes a lot longer. Right now, it really doesn't look that great because you have all of these things and you're like, how am I going to click on it? But when you go to a slideshow and start from the beginning, and you can see that as I advance through the slides, it goes. It also automatically advances for you, so there's no need to stress. Literally, it will just do everything. But you can't upload a PowerPoint to YouTube. So what you need to do is you need to convert it. And to do that, you go to File, Export, and then Create a Video. So again, that's File, Export, Create a Video. Now, it will want you to make a huge video with full HD. I recommend that you make it like medium, HD, or even standard. It really doesn't matter because no one's going to look that detailed. So like if you're doing something like, we'll say, human anatomy, and you have very fine pictures that you want them to see. If not, it just takes a lot of size. Um, you just hit create video, it will automatically make the thing. Now, however long your video is, it'll probably take about that long to make a video. So this is not a super fast process. So what it will do is right along down here at the bottom of the screen, you will see something like, video in process or creating video in process, and it will go through. Eventually, it will show you when it's done. When it's done, all you have to do is find out where the video is. Typically, it gets made wherever, right next to wherever your PowerPoint is, but just in case you might need to go into downloads, but for the most part, it'll make the video right next to wherever the PowerPoint is. So whatever folder that is where the video is. Now you're ready to upload it to YouTube. So even if you use Screencast-O-Matic or you used PowerPoint, you've gotten to the same place. like we're both caught up now. So you go to YouTube. This is my YouTube home. You see this little video camera up here in the upper right hand corner. It says create video. You do not want to go live. You want to upload a video. From there, you'll select your file. I have it under as Hunger Flipped. Oops. And you see, I tried to upload a PowerPoint, so that will not go. I have to upload this MP4 file, so that's the video version of it. Oh, we're off, and it's going. So now I have to give it a title, so we'll say Hunger Review, Mr. Webb Hunger Lesson. And all while I'm giving it a title and a description, it's uploading it. So you can see I have 2 minutes left, so it goes pretty quick. Next, it says this about audience. Is it intended for kids? It's a little bit weird with how they do this. I would recommend saying no, it's not made for kids because it gets screened less harshly. There shouldn't be any problems or like any age restrictions, anything like that. It's just it won't show up on some little kid search, and let's be honest, a little kid wouldn't want to see these things anyways because it'd be boring. Then you just keep hitting next. It's all right if it's still uploading during all of this. At this time, you can add things to your video. I never do. I just hit next. You always want to make it public so that way people can search it. You can schedule to when you're going to publish it. I never do because I don't care enough. And then you can hit publish. It will go and upload for the next 58 seconds and go. This is then uploaded. I'm just going to close this. So later on, it'll take you into my YouTube studio, and you can see it's still going here on the side. But these are all the videos that I've ever made. You can see some of them I disabled, some of them are public. This one is pending. Very soon it will be public. So let's say like the Shark Tank competition. I wanted to get the link so I could share it with my students. You just click on it. There's the link. There we go. Same thing that I've done in other things. And then later on, I can even go to copy this URL. I can go to TED Ed. I can paste my video. It will search, it will show my thing, and I am capable of making an entire lesson based around my PowerPoint, my lecture, as if I was there in class. If you guys need help, let me know. I'm happy to help you guys out. Have a nice one.